Welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple process of disabling vibration specifically for call notifications on Messenger. If you've been getting annoyed by your phone buzzing every time someone calls you on Messenger, this quick walkthrough will help you turn that off in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where you'll be able to customize how different apps behave on your device. Scroll down or search for the section called Apps, then tap to open it. Next, look through your installed apps and select Messenger. Once you tap on Messenger, you'll see a page that allows you to control different features and behaviors of the app on your phone. From here, tap on Notifications. This section is important because it lets you decide exactly how Messenger alerts you when things happen, whether that's a message, a call, or any other type of notification. Now, inside the Notifications menu, choose Notification Categories. This brings up a detailed list of the types of alerts Messenger can send. Each one can be customized separately, which is very handy. Scroll down to find Calls, and then tap on it. This is the category that controls notifications specifically for voice and video calls. By tapping into it, you can fine-tune whether your phone rings, vibrates, or just shows a banner alert when someone tries to reach you on Messenger. Finally, you'll see an option to toggle off Vibrate. Switch it off, and from now on, your phone will no longer buzz when you get Messenger calls. Instead, you'll just hear your chosen ringtone or see the visual alert. That's all it takes. Just a few steps, and you've successfully turned off vibration for Messenger call notifications. This can make a big difference if you find the vibrations distracting, or if you simply prefer a quieter experience. By knowing how to adjust these settings, you can take more control over how Messenger interacts with you. And the best part is, you can always come back to the same menu and turn vibration back on if you ever change your mind. Thanks for watching.